Amazon agreeing to buy the satellite operator Globalstar in a roughly $11.6 billion deal. This is going to help Amazon with its satellite operation called Amazon Leo. It wants to better compete with Elon Musk's SpaceX and his fast-growing Starlink unit. Here's how it breaks down, though. Amazon's going to offer Globalstar shareholders either $90 in cash per share or 32 cents a share of Amazon stock. It's going to be valued, though, at $90 a share. Important to note, Globalstar's network, a lot smaller than Starlink's. It mostly focuses on connecting phones and other devices in areas of low coverage. For example, the company powers Apple's emergency services features on iPhones. But they're expecting this deal to close in 2027. Globalstar up 10% at the moment.
Nice. All right, very
Let's
good.
move on to Bloom Energy. The ticker symbol there, BE, up 12.6%. Oracle is going to buy as much as 2.8 gigawatts of fuel cell power from Bloom Energy to supply data centers for artificial intelligence. Oracle's expanding its relationship after Bloom delivered a fully operational fuel cell system in 55 days, more than a month ahead of schedule.
Yeah.
I mean, that's kind of unheard of, right?
I mean, here's a company, first time I'm hearing about Bloom Energy.
Yes.
50 billion market cap. They only have 2,200 employees. I mean, it's just amazing.
I know. It's funny, before I did that, I wanted to see what the market cap was. Like, is this a teeny company? It's not a teeny company.
No.
$50 billion.
The heart of the matter here is we're wandering through, and all the optimism we've heard today, futures up 16, the VIX 18.30. The heart of the matter is we're all believing there's no losers in AI. Some of these companies aren't going to be successful, right?
Yeah, I think the street's trying to figure that out now, and they've identified some software companies.
But what about like AI?
I don't know.
EIO
Just build.
Yeah, with all these emerging techs, right? Some do go by the wayside, and I'm sure that'll be the case with AI. All right, let's move to the friendly skies. United Airlines up 2.7%. American is up nearly 90%. 90%. Check that, 9%.
Okay.
Oh, let's not get too crazy. United CEO Scott Kirby floating a possible combo with American Airlines. Let's just think about this for a minute, because if they were to combine, they would control 40% of domestic capacity. I don't know a regulator who's going to sign off on that, but I don't know. That's without divestitures.
Yep, and that's the thing. I mean, I was talking to Jen Rhee, who does the antitrust for Bloomberg Intelligence, and she said a lot of divestitures would,
You'd
crazy
have to.
amount.
But now there's an analyst note over at Wells Fargo saying that maybe JetBlue steps in here. Maybe United combines with JetBlue. It would provide United with key assets in New York as well. It would be less disruptive and smaller. JetBlue also up about 3%. So we'll see.
So basically, I did this, folks, and folks, just so you understand, AI has changed how I do my shtick. It's changed the show.
Yeah.
I've got here 3. This is all due to Tom Secunda and our great people. I got 3 Google Geminis open. That's what we use internally. There's others that have sophisticated people like Alexis have ChatGPT and all the others. Air France, domestic aviation, they have 45 to 50%. So basically, a United American merger would be like Air France in France.
So Europe's okay with that, apparently.
Oh, yeah. There's a huge concentration there. Like the government owns a
So you're saying it could happen?
No, I'm not saying that. It's hugely un-American.
All right.
Yes.
And frankly, what I'm going to do, folks, Paul's way ahead of me. Jen Rhee's the one that's in charge.
Yeah. So
she's the smartest kid on the block on this.
So we'll see. But that'd be interesting.
Do you want one more?
No, we're good.
No, I think we're good.
Really? We'll keep everybody guessing as to what my fourth one was. Okay, there you go.
Okay,
it's a tease for tomorrow.